Hello everyone, and welcome to my first video on YouTube. I'm Jay from Aquatech Beta, and today we're going to show you how to stop your floaters from drowning, getting sucked up, or even just going all over the place. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus trick. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, some of us have floaters in our aquarium for multiple reasons. One is to suck up the nitrates and excess nutrients, but it also makes a nice natural lid and helps reduce the amount of light to help fight off algae. It can also add a nice layer of plants to the top portion of our aquarium, also helping our fish stopping from jumping out. But sometimes these floaters get stuck in our filters. They get sucked up in our skimmers, and if you have a hang on the back filter, they can even get drowned by the waterfall. So here's an easy trick you can do with things you may already have. All you need for this hack is a simple airline tubing, preferably the CO2 proof tubing. I found it to be a little bit more sturdier. You can use regular airline tubing, but I found that to be a little bit flimsy and it doesn't take well when you're cleaning it from algae buildup. The next thing you're going to need is super glue. This is completely safe and won't harm your livestock. And the last thing you'll need is a pair of scissors. So the first thing we're going to do is grab that CO2 tubing and make a circular size of your liking. The next thing you're going to do is grab your pair of scissors and cut that to size. Make sure both sides are flat against each other. If they're not flat, you can use a sharp knife or blade to flatten out the edges. The next thing you're going to do is grab that crazy glue. Apply to both tips and hold it for about a minute or so. You will have a circular ring that keeps your floaters from going everywhere and help them stay organized in your tank. Now here's that bonus hack I mentioned earlier in the beginning of the video. You can make another ring for easy feeding, so the food stays in one place and doesn't go everywhere in your tank. And to make things even more secure, you can grab the suction cup that came with your airline tubing and use it to actually keep it in place. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and subscribe. Leave a comment below on what hacks and how-to videos you'd like to see in the future. This is Jay from Aquatech Beta on Instagram, signing off.